I don't know if I discovered a dupe that's actually worth it, or a dupe where you're just wasting your money and don't even bother. So let's just find out together. Makeup Forever HD Skin Palette. It's a nice all-in-one because you can use it as a concealer, as a foundation, you mix and match. I've been wanting to get an alternative to this because it's not cheap. This is $88. I was looking into getting like those, you know, theater makeup palettes like Graftobian or Cinema Secrets, and then this popped up. No, it's not Makeup Forever, although the packaging is nearly identical. It even feels like the Makeup Forever. So I found this. The brand is called Carla Secret. I also got the blush and lip palette. Well, it could be used as blush or lip. I already opened this earlier on my vlog, and when I first did swatches, I'm just floored by the pigmentation. And this one was only like, I think it was actually $9 for this entire palette. You could kind of tell which ones are going to be sheer and which one is going to be pigmented. Some of the colors are a little patchy, you can see. Alright, it's a little patchy. Let's just try the same color as a lipstick. Okay. So that same color, I think looks way better as a lipstick. And it's moisturizing. I don't think I would use this as a blush, but as a lipstick, yes. Let me give this blush one more chance, because what if it's just like the brush I'm using? By the way, my favorite brush cleaner, the Sephora brand, it works so well and so fast. Oh, there you go. When you do try to blend it, it's just uneven. It's uneven. So, okay, this is my new lip palette. So now the fun part, we're gonna play with the foundation. This will be easy to compare because one side will be the generic brand, the other side will be Makeup Forever. And I really do like the Makeup Forever. I mean, I've used it multiple times as my foundation, and it's a nice light to buildable coverage. The only downside is that it's so expensive, $88 right now. Great color pigmentation, so easy to blend, and it was easy to use on different skin types. The Amazon one, or shall I call it Carla Secret? What's the secret? This is $9. Oh my gosh, wow. Okay, here you go. The Carla Secret, it says that they are refillable pans. I did try removing the one from the lip one and I couldn't. I mean, it's so cheap, you almost don't really need to, but I love the idea of it. But it's the same amount of product for each one. Hi. Yes, baby. Come in. Hi, boo. Yes, what's up?
Is it done?
Makeup Forever does feel a little heavier. It does, and I think it's because the quality of the stuff they use is better. Hey, baby, not in mommy's room.
Why?
It's right next to daddy's bed. All right, I need to swatch this real quick before I lose my mind, because here we go. We're going all in. First impression. Now, chances of me actually using this on the kids, actually I'm not even gonna use it on the kids because I want to try it out myself before I try this on anybody else. Okay. It would just have such a light coverage, which for me, I wouldn't mind something light. This side is generic, and then this side is Makeup Forever. So this side is Makeup Forever. It does feel like a little more waxy. I need to go a little deeper. I'm gonna mix a little bit of this darker color. Up close, you can see how it is a little more waxy. Therefore, it's not really blending. Like, you can see the brush strokes. Let's go ahead and try a little bit of the contour now. So I'm gonna pick up some of this contour. Easy. Ooh, that blends so nicely. Easy peasy. I think it's a nice glow. All right, and now the generic. It is a bit patchy. You could still salvage this with a setting powder, and that would be great. But yeah, I still want to play a little bit more with this to see if this could actually be an actual foundation to use. I'm gonna wear this for the rest of the day, and then let's see what comes of it. Let me just put the blush on right now.
I can maybe.
Okay, one major difference. Oh my gosh. So I'm on my computer and I notice a big flaw. Look how glossy I look. Kind of oily. It's not the look you'd want. Whereas the Makeup Forever right here, it settled into the skin, giving it a nice natural glow versus oily glow. Look at my blush. I look like Santa Claus cheeks right now. Let's go ahead and put setting powder. This is Makeup by Mario.
Huh? Mario?
Mm-hmm.
That one for Mario?
Well, not the Mario you know.
Oh, okay. I thought that was.
No, baby.
Wait, let me see. That's not Mario.
No, it's not.
What did you say Mario then?
It's just a different kind. It says Mario. This says Mario. But it's not Super Mario like you know. The guy's name is Mario.
Huh? My name is Melon.
Alright, okay, we're back. It's just been a couple hours and I've just been here at home, but I already could tell that some of the makeup has faded. The blush isn't as bold as it was when I applied it a couple hours ago. Here you can still see a little bit of my bronze contour, whereas the other side, can you even tell? Overall, you just cannot beat the Makeup Forever. The Makeup Forever foundation palette is where it's at. I think this is still, I mean, it's worth it for the price if you just want to play with makeup or you're starting to learn how to play with cream. This is a great beginner's guide. Or maybe even if you want a really, really light coverage foundation, you would 100% have to set it with a powder, otherwise you're gonna look like a greasy mess. Is it a dupe? Absolutely not. The lip palette, however, I think is totally worth it for $10. You still see color on my lips, and that's after eating dinner and everything. So I say this is definitely worth it. Thanks for watching my little dupe experiment. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye. Super Mario, like you know.
Not Mario. Is that my?
Yeah, it's just a different kind of Mario, baby.
I didn't know why did you say that.
I know, baby, I know.
I didn't know.
The guy's name is Mario.
Huh?